What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video we're going to learn how you can log in to SORA AI with your Google account. So let's get started. So firstly, just go to your web browser and type SORA AI, and then you'll be in this platform. So go with the first link over here which says SORA AI. Just press on it, and then you will be redirected to the particular platform or the website of SORA AI, like this. And then on the top you can see this login button. You can go over there and you will be in this platform, which is the login option. So you want to continue with your Google account, so over here it says continue with Google. You can just press over here, and then you can use the account like this. You can choose the account that you want to have with. So continue, and then you have to tell something about yourself. You can you can choose any of this one. And now you have to log in over here as your account has already been created. Just do like this. And that's pretty much, guys. That's how you log in with the Google account. So thank you for watching our video, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And if you have any queries, just comment down below. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.